Hello and welcome. Yes, my name remains David. We've been going on this series for a very long time now. When I say long, I mean a week plus. Yes, this is me testing the alligator trading strategy. This is the alligator indicator strategy on the US30 stock market chart on trading view. Yes, we've been on this for a long time, like I said. So what is my channel about? If you don't know, my channel is all about backtesting trading strategy to make sure they are profitable or not. So it's either they are profitable or not. So my aim is to just make sure I do this test for you so that you know the win rate, the losses, the amount of gains or losses you can have on your account. Yes, I hope that is clear. I want to go straight down to it and tell you I've done on the 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, and this is the final one in the series, which is on the 4 hours. And the rules are simple. For a buy, we look to take our buy entry when the price is above the 200 moving average, and we have a cross on the alligator. We're talking about the green line crossing above the pink and the blue. For instance, this would have been 1 year. If we zoom in clearly to get a good look at it, this would have been 1 year, and that one would have lost if we targeted the last low. But I already set my trading view to take trade for 2% of my account, and so it's setting the account for losing just 2%, and I make a 1.5. So if for instance I lose $10, I make $15 on the account. I hope you get the drill. So yes, that is what it's about. So I use a 1 to 1.5 win reward ratio. So for this one, this would have been the first trade here, which is a buy trade. As you can see, we lost that here. Obviously we lost that trade here, and if we had gone over to take this one, which was just below, you can see the price is below, we would not have taken that. But if we come to the very next one, which happened here, you can see if we've taken that one targeting a 2 to 1, we would have won that. So you can see how easy this strategy is. This strategy is not complicated. So I target a 1 to 1.5. okay, so you can see it ratio 1.5, so we win more than we lose. So if you can see, this is more than 1.5 double of the loss you're gonna get on this trade. So that's how we do it. Let's see if we could find another trade. Obviously we can. This would have been one trade, but that would have been a loss too. Okay, so if we are taking it in this particular place, we would have lost that, as you can see. But what happened next? Okay, before the next one, we had a loss following that one, and that is why you need to know how many you win in a row and how many you lose in a row. This is super important in your trading if you want to trade to make profit. So as you can see, this is losing 2 in a row, and now the one that follows suit after that obviously was a profitable trade if we are taking that for a 1 to 1.5 win reward ratio, as you can see. So now I'm going to take trade and give you the result at the end of the day so that you know how profitable these strategies would have been. So I want you to follow me as I go through this together while we take this. So we'll just go through and I'll keep the records and I'll tell you how much loss or win trade we have in a row so that you don't have to do this yourself. I'm going to do the hard work for you. All I ask is that you like the video if you enjoy the content, and that would be nice. So we're just going to go through, like I've showed you, these are the trades I've taken, so I'm just showing you. So we're going to go through and take more trades, take as much trade as possible. The standard is 100 trades, so I'm going to do that and give you the win reward ratio. Okay, so let's do. Yes, we back with the result. So after taking over 61 trade in the whole of 2019 to this present day, if you check the calendar here, today is the 13th of January 2021, we're able to get 61 trade in based on chart data, and the result is in. I must tell you, the result is not bad at all. If you ask me, it's not a bad result, but it just takes too long of a time. But if you don't mind, if you're a patient trader, you definitely make profit. So I'll tell you right away what we did and what we got from this one. we're able to have a win rate of 55%. Just taking this trade, we're able to make a 55% win rate. We won 34 and lost 27, which resulted in 4 wins in a row and 4 losses in a row, putting our account on a 2,400 profit in this period. So you can see it's quite amazing. On a $10,000 account, we would have made 2,400. So we actually made profit, but it took super long. I've made videos in the past which took just a few days to make same amount. You can check that. Is the big boobs 1 minute strategy. And oh yes, I'll be making an updated version of the big boobs strategy series, because I got a setting from a good friend who commented in the comments. So if you drop your comment, you definitely would get a recognition from me. It told me to change it to the 17 EMA and test with that it's getting a good result. So I'm going to do that in the next series before I move on to other strategy. So I'll be retesting the big boob strategy. Make sure you like, subscribe if you've not done that, so that you don't miss out on that series. With that said, thanks for watching this particular one. Like the video, and I will see you on the next one. Stay blessed.